Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a user-friendly dropshipping website with GoDaddy step by step clearly. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section on the dashboard. Click on Create a Website. Select Online Store as the type of website you want to build. Choose a template that suits your brand aesthetic and click Edit Site. Customize your website layout using the drag and drop editor. Add your logo at the top of the page to enhance brand recognition. Incorporate high-quality images of your products on the homepage. Use clear and concise product descriptions to inform customers. Set up a navigation menu to help visitors find products easily. Link categories such as clothing, electronics, or accessories. To add products, go to the Products tab in the dashboard. Click on Add Products and fill out relevant details, including pricing, images, and descriptions. Ensure each product has a clear call to action button, like Shop Now. To enable payment options, navigate to the Payments section. Choose a payment processor that works best for your business model. Integrate options like PayPal, Stripe, or credit card payments. Next, set up your shipping options under the Shipping tab. Define shipping rates based on weight, region, or flat rates. Test the checkout process to ensure it's user-friendly and efficient. Once everything is set up, preview your website by clicking on Preview Site. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize the user. When satisfied with your site, hit the Publish button to make it live. After publishing, continuously monitor your site performance through analytics. Regularly update your product listings and blog content to keep customers engaged. Create a contact page with a form for customer inquiries or concerns. Lastly, promote your dropshipping website through social media and online ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.